Everybody would tell us, pagka tinanong, sino ho ba si Ma'am Persido Acosta? Ang sasabihin, yun yung matapang, yun yung lumalaban, yun yung tumutulong. Pero ma'am, ang tanong ko, paano ho ninyo tinutulungan din ho ang sarili ninyo kapag merong mga pressures politically, socially, or economically sa trabaho natin? Ma'am, kasi we do not live in a perfect world. Talagang magkakaroon ho tayo ng pressure sometimes. Paano nyo ho nahahandle yun bilang abogado, babae, at chief ng PAW?
I myself is so fragile and weak because I'm a human being. But it's God who gives me strength. Walang makatatalo kay God. He will empower you. If you will be used to save the people's lives, save them for their freedom, ituturo ni God kung anong gagawin mo. Somebody will approach you. And there are some others in the government who are good-hearted. They will tell you what to do. Basta open ka lang. And use your power of discernment and enlightenment to know what is right and what is wrong. Listen before you talk. Diba? Mag-aral bago mag-appear sa court. Pero, sabi ko nga, minsan, parang hindi na ako tao eh. Paano nagawa? After the event na talagang so disastrous and so dangerous, paano kaya ako nakaligtas? Titingala lang, it's God who made it, not me. Like in the bar. Nagtapa ko sa bar, modesty aside. Hindi ako yun eh. It's God's work.
Yes.
To prove that a poor lady from Bataan, a native of Cabcaben, Maribeles, Bataan, a daughter of a bus driver, a daughter of a dressmaker, will make it. And what Father O'Shaughnessy of Ateneo told me, you're vindicated by God. Because he was my professor in legal logic in Ateneo Law School. And modesty aside again, I got 98 in his subject.
Yes.
Syllogisms, how to argue, and everything. So sabi niya, sumulat pa siya, you are vindicated by God. I've been telling people, bigo ka ngayon, bukas, the sun will still shine tomorrow.